Prince Obina. It is your right to take over from where your father stopped. By the powers conferred on me as the Onowu of this great kingdom, I hereby crown you the king of Anugba Kingdom. Don't be too fast, Onowu.
Father.
Father! Father, you're dead!
A great king does not die. He sleeps. I have been in slumber. Now, it's all over.
It's indeed a miracle. Welcome back to life. So can we continue now? Father is here.
Okay, you can go ahead now. The testimony. Give me the code.
What? What?
My king, what have you done?
I have just done the right thing.
And who is this boy?
He is the true son of Anugba Kingdom. Someday, everyone shall bow and hail him a great king.
Father. Father. Hey.
Father.
Hey, boy. What's going on? No, you have to do something. You have to do something, mother. You have to do something or I will do something. Mother. Can you please tell me what's going on? Why is everybody going on one leg?
What do we call this?
She has refused to talk. Can you please tell us what is going on?
Please. Mother.
So you'll have to fight for this then.
What's this? Mother, what is going on, please?
So you'll have to fight for this then. Since you don't want to say anything. Are you aware he left with my crown? Are you aware?
What is the meaning of this dream? Father giving another boy the crown? Who is that boy? There's something going on spiritually that has not been revealed.
How did it go?
Meet me inside.
Huh? Your Highness, my lord, you summoned me. Is everything okay? You make me scared.
You should be scared. You should be really ashamed of yourself to think you can fool me for 30 years.
What have I done?
I want you to swear with your life that you did not sleep with another man to have Obinna. Swear. No, I want you to swear.
I don't understand. I don't believe you're saying this to me. Are you accusing me of infidelity?
I'm not accusing you, but I'm telling you to your face. Well, let me make it clear to you. I found out you cheated on me the day you had Obinna.
My lord, Prince Obinna is your son.
And that she did too?
Huh?
Well, you will swear before Orashi on the Eke Market Day.
Mother, what is it? I heard father shouting. No one invited you. What is wrong with her? Do you really want me to swear before Urasi? I am your wife. You should learn to trust me and believe me. All right. I once cheated on you, but Prince Obinna is not the result. You are the father of Prince Obinna. Believe me.
So you looked me in the face and you think I'm an idiot? You must swear. It's final.
Why are you doing this? Why do you want me to swear? When you had Brenda with another woman, did I ask you to swear? Why are you being wicked?
Get out. I said get out.
She's a bad woman, sneaking around. Look what you've done, look what you've done. And you have no shame, and you have no shame. Oh yeah, and you have no shame. Bad woman, sneaking around. Look what you've done, look what you've done. And you have no shame, and you have no shame. These are bad people, bad humans, sneaking around. Look what you've done. Don't you have no shame? Every day, every night, you're scheming, you're evil. Forgetting that under the sun, nothing can be hidden. You can bury the truth for a season, but remember, oh yeah, seasons come and go, but the truth will remain, yeah. Some are praying every day.
This is not happening. This is not happening. No. Mother, what is it? I am not your mother. What is wrong with her? We need to see. We need to see now. I'm in trouble. Mike, this is not a matter of being busy. We need to see. It's very urgent. We must see now. Where? All right. Okay. Sure.
Father, what is it? Father, you are not talking to me.
The hawk has been hatching the eggs belonging to the vulture.
What does that mean? I don't understand.
Well, no matter what, I must keep the wrong birds in the wrong nest.
Father, please, can you explain your proverbs to me? Please.
What is it? What?
He has found out.
Who has found out what?
My husband. He has found out that Prince Obinna is not his son. He did not father him. He's not the father of Prince Obinna.
How did you know?
He just came back from a meeting and told me that he knew it a day after Obinna was born. I'm done. I'm done like...
Did he mention my name?
He did not mention any name.
What? How is this possible? Oh my goodness. This is unbelievable. This is disgusting.
Let me tell you something. Let me tell you something you must always have at the back of your mind. Never you trust anyone. Human beings can be erratic and ungrateful.
So, what are you going to do now?
I am the custodian of the culture. I will allow the gods to do justice. I will never keep quiet in the face of abomination. Not now. Not anytime. Never.
Why is this happening now? Why now? Why is it happening this time? Like, now that Arinze is coming with his people. Why now?
She's a bad woman, sneaking around. Oh, yeah. Look what you've done, look what you've done. Don't you have no shame, don't you have no shame. Oh yeah, don't you have no shame. Bad woman, sneaking around. Oh, yeah. Look what you've done, look what you've done. Don't you have no shame, don't you have no shame. These are bad people.
Just calm down. Calm down. We can still handle this. Yes.
How can we handle this when I am going to die very soon? He said I must swear before Urasi.
Urasi?
Yes.
Hey. That is very serious. You know what? We can still do something to cover it up. Yes. Yes.
You are his wife, are you not?
Yes.
So, you can still prepare his last meal. Yes, his last meal.
Your Majesty, you are not saying anything.
Oh no.
Your Majesty.
I'm short of words.
Your Majesty, you sent for me. You said you have something very important to discuss with me. But now you are not saying anything. Tell me why you sent for me. So that if there is something I can contribute, then I will do.
I'm short of words, so no.
It's all right. Do we then discuss the Ofala and the return of Prince Obinna?
I don't want to discuss about Obinna now.
Good evening, Dad. Good evening, Ono.
Actually, you're welcome.
Thank you.
Welcome, my prince.
Thank you.
Let me help you with your bag.
All right. Dad, you look sad. Is everything all right? Dad?
I'm fine.
Daddy, don't look it, but let me go upstairs first. Oh no, let me go upstairs.
It's all right.
You're looking more beautiful every day.
Thank you. And I must say, Abuja looks great on you.
You're just surviving, sister. What will I do?
You're
only
welcome.
surviving.
You're welcome.
So how is everything? How is everybody?
Everything is good. So, what did you bring for your sis?
Definitely I got something for you.
I know.
But let me see mom first. I'm coming back.
All right.
Look at you. Oh my God.
All right, I'm waiting for my gift.
Missed you. Did you miss me, my prince? Oh my God, I'm so happy that you're back. Hello, my darling prince. Welcome. I have really missed you. I can't wait to, have you all by myself. My sweet prince, would you want me to make something very nice for you? Oh, my favorite prince.
Mama, how are you?
I'm doing great, my prince. Just that I have really missed you. You're welcome once again, my prince.
Thank you.
So good to see you. A minute. I'll be right back.
All right.
My friends, I'm sure you must be very tired.
Yes, you're right.
Okay, would you want me to make anything for you? Anything nice that you would like?
What do I eat now? I think, fish pepper soup.
I knew it! You and the king like the same thing. The same catfish pepper soup.
Yes.
It's alright. I am going to make it for you, just like you would love it. I'll be right back. My prince, would you want me to get you any juice?
That's okay. No, I'm okay with all the pepper soup.
Alright, my prince.
A bottle of water.
Oh, water.
Yes.
Okay.
Some abominations should not be ignored. I am ready to see her suffer for her sins. I am pissed off.
But, Igwe, how come we've not noticed this all these years? Huh? Even the gods didn't give us any sign.
What happened for a purpose. Go and tell us to prepare for the swearing in on a Market day.
It's alright. I will do that.
Nobody should hear about this, at least for now.
Of course. I'll take my leave, Igwe. So, if the king did not find out, we would have crowned Obinna, another man's blood, our king in the future. Tufiakwa, it can never happen. A titled man like me, Onowu for that matter, I cannot be part of this. Never. Not me. No. I can never remain silent over this.
My friends, your fish pepper soup is ready. Would you want me to serve it here? My prince, would you want me to serve you your fish in your room here? Oh my God. Just look at how cute you are. I'm already wet for you, my prince. I'm so horny. I just feel like eating you up right now.
Odimgbe, Odimgbe, mad Odimgbe.
My king, can I speak with you? Your Highness?
Take your things to the guest room.
Don't I have the right to say something?
Listen, woman. Don't let me place a curse on you.
Woman, bad woman, sneaking around. Look what you've done. Look what you've done. Don't you have no shame? Don't you have no shame? These are bad people, bad humans, sneaking around. Look what you've done. Don't you have no shame? Every day, every night, you're scheming, you're evil. Forgetting that under the sun, nothing can be hidden. You can bury the
My queen, I didn't know you were back. Welcome, my queen. Is there something you'd like me to get for you?
I'm in trouble.
My queen, is it something I can help you fix?
No. I want to be left alone.
Okay, my queen. My queen, I prepared catfish pepper soup. Would you want some?
Catfish pepper soup?
Yes, my queen. Plenty of it.
Has the king eaten?
No, my queen.
My husband, I brought your favorite.
I have told you to move your things to the guest room. Do not think this is a trivial issue. You disgust me.
It's a catfish pepper soup.
Take it out of this place. I don't want to be part of your men.
Look what you've done. Don't you have no shame? Oh yeah. Don't you have no shame? Bad woman, bad woman. Oh yeah. Look what you've done. Don't you have no shame?
I have to do something. I have to do something.
My queen, I do not like the look on your face. You look very worried. What is it, my queen?
I'll be fine. I will be fine.
Are you sure you'll be fine all by... Okay, my queen.
Bro, why are you crying? And when did you come back from the States?
I'm like this because of your death.
My death? How?
Secondly, they've given my crown out to a total stranger.
Oh, I still can't understand what you're saying.
All I need you to do is to make sure that when I die, you will lead my people with great wisdom.
Well, you have nothing to worry about, Father. For I'll do just that. So, how about the other plans?
Father wants this stranger to take over the throne.
Father, who the hell is he?
I couldn't recollect inviting the both of you here.
You must tell us who this boy is, or we will shred him here and now.
I repeat, nobody invited the both of you here. I'm just having a word with my son.
Your son? Mr. Man, get up and leave. I said you should leave!
My friend, don't you ever talk to me like that again. Ever!
And who the hell are you?
Who the hell are you?
Hey. Yeah. Say, get out. Give me that.
Give me that!
Hey.
Rubbish. Let's go. It's not over.
It's not over!
So, Father, back to our discussion. What a dream. How did I sleep this long without moving?
My queen, I can swear that all is not well with you. You look so downcast. Tell me, what is the matter? You can share with me, and I will always provide you with good advice.
I don't think it's something you can help me with. But I need help. I need to save my marriage. I need to save my face. I need help.
My queen, is the king the reason for your sadness? Does he want to take another wife? Is he seeing another woman? Just talk to me.
Oma, can you help me? If you don't, I will die in a few days.
God forbid. You will not die. Nothing will happen to you. Just tell me, what can I do to help? Tell me, I will do it.
Sure.
I promise.
Sit.
What? What? My queen.
This money can do you a whole lot. And I am going to promote you to my personal aide. Just help me. Save my life, save my marriage. Just save my face, I beg you. See, just call me whenever you need anything and I'll make sure you have it. Just save me, please. Please.
What is it?
Good morning, Your Highness. Tea. I brought you tea, Your Highness. I noticed you didn't eat last night, so I decided to bring tea for you this morning, Your Highness.
Thank you. You can go.
Okay, Your Highness.
Dad, they are here. Dad, did you hear me? Arinze and his father are here.
I told him to come back next week. I never invited them today.
Father, please. Arinze will be traveling to Austria next week, Tuesday. Please, Father, this is the right time.
I do not stop him from traveling.
Father, what will happen if he travels?